This file is for making and selling physical items only. The digital file may not be shared, sold, or distributed in any form. Notes about using the file. The red line is the outer cut line. You will need to adjust your curve to suit your machine. The green line is the inner cut line. This cuts the holes inside the outer cut line. The black line is fill. This engraves inside the closed shape. The purple bounding box defines the area for objects within an A4 size sheet, ensuring a 10 mm margin on all sides. This layer should be turned off or deleted during the cutting and engraving process. The yellow lines represent the part names and can either be deleted or have their layer switched off. Additionally, files in each format are included with these layers already removed. The files can then be repositioned to fit your machine and material sizes.